Good day everyone, and to Miss Carla Marquez. Before hopping into the content of this presentation, we should know that science is all about uncovering the secrets of the natural world. It's the quest for knowledge and understanding through asking questions, running experiments, and gathering data, and that is according to Merriam-Webster from 2024. Meanwhile, according to MEPQA from 2023, this knowledge is the driving force behind technological advancements and a groundbreaking engineering designs. Sa kalibutan ta, we possess technology, which is mga tools, devices, systems, methods, and procedures nga naubra through technological process. Muni nga technological objects like mga ginayus ta daily like toothbrushes to complex transportation systems. And of course, the society, which is groups ng mga individuals nga ga-live together sa isa ka structured community nga ga-shared values, beliefs, and institutions. The relationship between science, technology, and society is evident in medicine. Ang medicine is a branch of science nga ga-focus on diagnosing, treating, and preventing injuries and diseases. When society faces health challenges, science studies these diseases to find solutions. Technology, on the other hand, then applies this knowledge to develop machines for treatment and prevention. The interconnectedness of these disciplines is also evident in transportation.
The prehistoric era. This foundational period lasted until approximately 3300 BC. Humans began using copper, transitioning to bronze, an alloy of copper and tin, leading to stronger and more versatile tools and weapons. Innovations such as bronze plows and weapons improve agricultural efficiency and daily life. These technological advancements laid the groundwork for complex societies. The invention of fire. Fire provided warmth, light, and a means for cooking greatly, improving food safety and nutrition. It created safe environments for sleeping and social gatherings, enhancing communal interactions. The Agricultural Revolution. Early farmers employed techniques like selective breeding and irrigation, resulting in increased crop productivity and surplus food. In ancient civilizations, the Egyptians utilized mathematics for trade and tax collection, developed basic engineering for construction, and made significant strides in medicine through practices like mummification. The medieval period. Windmills and watermills revolutionized agricultural and industrial processes, while the introduction of eyeglasses improved vision for scholars and craftsmen. The crossbow and longbow transformed warfare strategies, illustrating the interconnectedness of technology and societal development during this period. The Renaissance. The heliocentric model proposed by Copernicus, along with contributions from Kepler and Galileo, revolutionized astronomy and challenged long-standing geocentric views. Francis Bacon. By advocating for empirical observation and experimentation over reliance on ancient authorities, Bacon emphasized inductive reasoning and objectivity in scientific inquiry. The printing press revolutionized the dissemination of knowledge, making books more accessible and affordable.
The modern era has been marked by transformative technological innovations, beginning with the Industrial Revolution and extending through the 20th century to the present day. The medieval period laid the groundwork with innovation like mechanical clocks, windmills, and the early printing press, which facilitated communication and improved daily life. Mechanical clocks, particularly after the 14th century, played a crucial role in navigation by enabling accurate timekeeping essential for calculating longitude, thus improving long-distance sea travel. Transitioning into the 20th century, society experienced rapid technological progress alongside global conflicts like World War I and World War II. These wars acted as catalysts for innovation, prompting nations to invest heavily in new weapons and communication systems. Emerging technologies today continue to revolutionize daily life and industries. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is enabling machines to perform tasks that traditionally require human intelligence, improving efficiency across various sectors. Robotics, biotechnology, and nanotechnology are pushing the boundaries of innovation. Robotics are increasingly used for both autonomous and human assisted tasks, enhancing productivity. Biotechnology leverages living organisms for product development, while nanotechnology manipulates matter at the atomic level, opening up diverse applications. In conclusion, the modern era is spanning the Industrial Revolution to the present, showcases a remarkable trajectory of technological advancement that have profoundly impacted society.
The societal impacts of technological advancements. First is we have power and governance. The rapid advancement of surveillance technologies such as facial recognition and tracking devices has significantly enhanced state capacities to monitor and control individuals. Next is cultural shifts. Mass media wields substantial influence over culture, shaping public opinion and altering social norms and values. Followed by the environmental considerations. The environmental impacts of industrialization are profound, including resources depletion, pollution, and climate change. Lastly is the ethical considerations. As AI and automation reshape society, ethical considerations surrounding employment, privacy, bias, and the digital divide come to the forefront.
Pre-colonial period, the early societies in the Philippines displayed remarkable ingenuity in science and technology. Spanish colonial period, the Spanish prioritized studies in medicine and engineering, particularly in biology. American colonial period and post-Commonwealth era, the Bureau of Government Laboratories was established in 1901, transitioning from earlier municipal laboratories.
The invention of fire was a major turning point for human existence, offering warmth and light in the dark and cold, vital for survival. Its ability to cook food improved safety by killing pathogens, thus enhancing nutrition and expanding diet options. Fire also allowed humans to safely gather and sleep, encouraging the formation of close-knit communities and more complex social structures. These advancements facilitated adaptation to varied environments, leading Fire also played a central role in fostering social bonds. Communal gatherings around the fire encouraged interaction, storytelling, and the exchange of ideas, promoting cooperation and a sense of shared identity. The use of fire in hunting and cooking, these interactions likely contributed to the development of language and culture, helping to solidify fire's role as a catalyst for human progress. Moreover, fire enabled early humans to manipulate their environment in new ways. Controlled burns could be used to clear land, which may have contributed to early agricultural practices. It also paved the way for technological advances such as pottery and metallurgy. By mastering fire, early humans were able to smelt metals and craft tools, weapons, and later develop early forms of industry. In essence, essence, fire was not just a tool for survival. It was an agent of transformation. It allowed humans to explore, adapt, and thrive in challenging environments, laying the foundation for the development of agriculture, settled communities, and eventually civilization. Fire is often seen as a precursor to many other technological advances. It set the stage for the trajectory of progress that has shaped human history, influenced to the very technologies we rely on today.
In the modern era, the internet plays a similarly transformative role. It has revolutionized how we communicate and collaborate, allowing for instant connectivity across the globe. For example, Zoom and Google Meet facilitate real-time collaboration, helping teamwork efficiently regardless of location. This connectivity has accelerated scientific progress by enabling researchers to share findings quickly, collaborate internationally, and access a vast array of information. Platforms like ResearchGate allow scientists to interact, share publications, and develop ideas collectively, demonstrating the Internet's role in advancing science. However, the Philippines encounters significant challenges in fully utilizing science and technology for economic development. One is the shortage of skilled scientists and technologies, which stunts innovation and hinders progress. Additionally, investments in research and development is inadequate, limiting the country's capacity to generate new technology or enhance existing ones. For instance, according to reports by international bodies, the Philippines invests less in R&D compared to neighboring countries like Singapore and Malaysia. In terms of infrastructure, although there have been improvements, many areas still suffer from limited access to reliable internet, which affects productivity and innovation. This digital divide poses a barrier to widespread internet use in education and industry, restricting knowledge dissemination. Furthermore, agricultural productivity is hampered by outdated practices and limited access to modern technology, which are key contributors to economic growth in rural areas. Without significant strides in science and technology, economic growth in industrial and agricultural sectors remain constrained, keeping the Philippines from fully participating in the global knowledge economy.
In conclusion, the invention of fire marked a turning point in human evolution, offering warmth, protection from predators, and the ability to cook food, which enabled nutrition and health. It also enabled early humans to extend their activities into the night and survive in colder climates. Fire fostered the social interaction around shared hearths and contributed to the development of tools leading to advancement in technology and culture. The invention and introduction of internet in the Philippines revolutionized communication, allowing Filipinos to connect globally and access vast amounts of information. It boosted economic opportunities for education, entertainment, and e-commerce. The internet also empowered Filipinos to engage in social and political movement, increasing civic participation in digital activism. This is all for our topic. I hope that you learned a lot from us, and thank you so much for listening. Goodbye.